hold it. Stop your bet. Thank God I've gotten your attention now. So if you're an influencer, internet celebrity, or content provider hoping to cash out from brand come 2021 or even earn from your followers, then this video is for you. Or you're an influencer waiting for brands to reach out to you to promote their product, then you've been doing it the absolute wrong way. Why? Because you've been putting so much money to waste. Or you've ever wondered what is going to come of you if Instagram shuts your account today just like Tundeednut. Or you're a brand hoping to use influencers to market your product home and abroad. Then all you need to do is to chill and patiently watch this video to the end, because I'm going to be showing you how you can maximize influencer marketing come 2021. And if you're an influencer, I'll show you how you can increase your net worth come 2021 and bag more money for yourself. So chill. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button anywhere around this video, and do not forget to turn on the bell notification. We are new here. I'll be so glad to see you hit the subscribe button, because we are going to be working day and night, week to week, to ensure that I will give you valuable content come 2021 and trusted recommendations. So now let's head on to my PC.
Mixed by
So the first platform you need to head on to is starengage.com. Starengage.com is a platform for influencers and brand creators. So brands can come here and select different influencers. They can decide to use these influencers to promote their product. So if you're an influencer, you are not maximizing this platform, you're doing yourself a great harm. So if you're an influencer, all you need to do is to click on the I am a creator and then register on it. It's not going to take you 5 seconds to register. You can select your country and everything, and then click submit button and check your email to confirm your registration. Now this particular platform allows brands to also search for influencers now, and the interesting part about it, Nigerian influencers are there. They can actually search for your rankings. You can see the top influencer according to their ranking, tells them the engagement range, the number of followers. That's it. If Yemi Alade has about 12.xyz number of followers, this is our engagement rate. WhatsApp age is the engagement. Funke Akindele, you can check different kind of ones. People can decide to set influencers. So if you're not on this platform, you are doing yourself a great harm. You can see that it's open to all types of these influencers. Now you can see influencers as even low as 1.2k followers. So don't say that you are so small. You need to jump on this thing and start maximizing it. If you are not on it, you are dulling yourself a big time. Why? Because I'm going to be showing how people are making money in dollars. Now you can make money not just from Nigerians. You can chat some other foreigners and tell them that you want to help their brand. Foreigners, they can actually get your services. Now, so if you are a creator, all you need to go is to go to the creators part. You can put videos, articles, different kind of sports, like you can maximize this platform a great deal. So for example, now let's just take a look at Yemi Alade's platform. You can see Yemi Alade has over 12 million followers, and then here it says he has 38% of Yemi Alade's followers are female, 62%. So brands can see all your reach. You can even screenshot all of your reach and put it on your link bio to know your brand engagement links and what have you. I'll show you an example of a campaign created for our client to copy. We put a price range that we wanted an influencer that can help us market, and our price range, how much we could afford to pay the influencer, is about $50 to $100. And they kept all the information. And the beautiful part about this, there was a template that made it very easy. So as a brand, you can maximize this and tell the influencer that you want the influencer to do XYZ number of video, post it on XYZ number. Now you, on the other hand, as an influencer, you can check our inbox. You'll find out that 2 influencers started us up. This lady is from Canada's Britain, and then this other one is Clinton. Let's just check this one quickly. You see what she says: I love what you're doing. I would be super down to collab and spread the word. Now, so she has sold herself to us, telling us how many followers she has: 90k followers and 53k followers on Instagram. I can confirm that by just clicking on this and going to our Instagram page. You can see it. I can check on analytics. And then I come to our Instagram page, yeah, she actually does have that. So I can have this foreigner with over 53k as a brand to promote my brand. So if you're an influencer, brand can reach out to you. And then the interesting part about it, as you can see from our DM, you can also reach out to brands. So you don't have to wait for them to come to you. You can go to them. So that's perfectly sweet. And another platform I need you to take advantage of is the platform called Koji. Koji.com is a beautiful platform that gives you all the solution of all the stuffs you will need without paying money for developers, without hacking your brain to millions and different type of platforms. Now it allows you to sell a private photo, it allows you to sell collections of photos like a media gallery, it allows you to sell video, you can raise funds, you can sell ebooks, sell blog articles. That you need to be creative about it. If you're a comedian and you have series of nice videos, you can offer a particular comedy video for a low amount of as low as $10. But before I go further with this, I want you to know that the platform is going to take 15% of your earnings, and then they're going to be paying you. You can get your payouts in PayPal. Don't worry, if you're an influencer with over 100k followers or a sizable number of Instagram followers or Facebook followers, you can DM us or check us up on our website using the live chat on pob.ng. That's our website. We will help you out with getting all of that started. So as I can say, you can see there are different kind of platforms. You can create links now. Even if you have your link bio in Linktree, you can import your Linktree. You can put your website link and everything, and it's going to be beautiful. But what am I trying to say in a nutshell is that after you've created all of this, you can have your own unique URL. So for example, if you are Yemi Alade, you can just have koji.to/Yemi Alade, something like this. You can see Lucy has her own link bio. Now the interesting part about it is that if you see an influencer with a link bio of something that you like, for example, she says you can buy me a coffee, our fans can buy her a coffee. So if they click on this, they'll get to a page whereby they can pay her for getting a coffee. You can remix her page if you like it and just put change the text, change the pictures by just clicking on our page and say, okay, remix this Koji. That once you remix it, you can edit all of that. So, but if you do not want that, you can create it. Now, so what am I trying to say in the nutshell? I need you to just take a look at this. You can see that people can check your story, click on your link bio to see different kind of stuff, pay you for pictures, pay you for different kind of stuff. As you can see, they can pay to unlock. See more to unlock. You see they can pay $1. Try as much as possible to make this affordable. Don't let it be too expensive. The more the merrier. It's a game of numbers. So you can see now this platform allows you to do quite a whole lot. You can see you can withdraw your amount, you can create a plugin with PayPal, and then when you create a plugin in PayPal, you receive your money in PayPal. Now in Nigeria, PayPal does not allow you to receive money in Nigeria, so we have a page on our website. You can visit pob.ng/PayPal, and I'll show you how you can receive money in Nigeria. And if you are an influencer with over 100k followers, you can DM us or use the live chat to chat us up. We'll be helping you set it all up for free, because we know you've taken out time to build your account, and it's going to be whole tedious for you to start going through all of this edit. We are going to be ready to help you. Another way you need to be maximizing sales right now is to maximize affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketers are taking advantage of this and earning in dollars, earning as much as $30,000 per month. You'll be dolling, and as a matter of fact, they go through a lot trying to get the kind of traffic you already have. It will not make much sense if you have so much traffic that these same guys need, these affiliate marketers need, and then you're just sitting down waiting for one company to call you out to promote their product. You'll be dolling yourself. If you have conversion of 20,000 views, why don't you now create a niche within your come 2021 whereby people follow you and then you recommend product? What does affiliate marketing simply means is that companies around the world are giving high commission for you to refer their product. Now it is not multi-level. It is as simple as you just getting a link from their website, and then in that particular link, for example, now you see my own company, we have pob/affiliate. You generate your link, and then if you sell, for every product you sell, like these applications, you sell it to people, and then you get it. Now this might sound so tedious and hectic for you, but you don't need to stress yourself. You just need to get a particular brand that is within your niche. Now I'm going to be introducing you to digis24.com. Now in Digis24, you have so many people making quite a whole lot of money on it. Now the beautiful part about Digis24 is that you can get different brands that have already registered, so you don't have to be searching online looking for different brands here and there. So now, but before you sign up, if you're in Nigeria, Digis24 does not allow audiences in Nigeria today. So first of all, I'll need you all to enter onto Google and type in Opera Mini VPN. So you download the Opera Mini VPN. It's free. You don't need to stress yourself. It's totally free. It makes people access your website and think you're accessing from a different location. And when that is done, this is how your website is going to look. And you type on your browser digis24.com. Then you click on register now. If you're a new user, you register, enter your information, your username, your this thing. And then when you get to the area of street, enter a street in United States or any foreign country that is being accepted. Change the country. and then you can enter your telephone number. If you're having issues with this thing, if you don't have any relative in the Yankee or someone you trust, you can contact us. We'll show you how you can get free numbers that you use to receive messages to activate your account. And then when you've activated your account is going to look like this. So if you're new on the platform, it's going to show £0. Why? Because you're going to be paying in dollars or pounds. You determine how you're going to be paid, but your earnings here is going to be showing in this thing. But you can actually change your currency right here to US dollars. So whichever case might be. Now, so that you go to marketplace and you set for different brands. So you direct your content, your free content, your interactive content, playful content. No matter how stupid you feel your follower base can be, they'll actually follow you for something. If you're a beautiful girl, they'll probably follow you because of they love your skin, they love something. You can start tapping into this skin. Now, for example, you see this particular company says they are going to pay as much as £113. That's crazy. If you change this to dollars, it tells you how much that they're going to pay you. Now they're going to pay you about $139. That's quite a whole lot if you promote this particular product. Now imagine you have 10 people having to pay you this. It's making more sense, and all you just need to do is just to click promote, and then it generates your unique referral link. So you are not going to waste so much time. You are copying this link to your link bio. You can take it to the with Koji, like I explained to you the other time, and then make sure it's on one of your links. What I would advise you to do as an influencer is that when it takes you to the page, whatever is on that page that sells, for example, that one is a science page. It tells you that discover the whole metabolic trigger. Whatever you're trying to promote, you check it out. If it's a video, you just tell them that take out so, and then they come here. These guys do the marketing for you. They do everything for you. So for example, you can check different kind of product. If you click on this one, you can see there's a video there. Now this says overnight mind are secretly used by the rich and famous. Now you can just see on your Witchkoji link and just type there, watch the video that shows you the overnight mind hack secretly used by this, and insert the link. So they come here, and then these guys are going to lead them down to a sale. You're not doing the marketing, you're not doing anything, you're only sharing the link on your link bio. You're promoting it whichever way you can. So whichever hard way the country goes, if the dollar keeps going on the high side, the more the dollar goes high, the more you become rich. You need to be maximizing this as an influencer. We believe so much on this Instagram, but the truth is that Instagram, Facebook, all the social networks, they give you low visibility. So if you have as much as say 1,000 followers, only 5 to 10% of your followers are going to be seeing your comment within the space of 24 to 48 hours until you start having high engagement. Even when you have high engagement, if you sleep on it, this platform change their algorithms, they change their stuff. Ask Lap Nigeria, ask Pulse TV, ask Gold My TV, people that were trending for a very long time with high number of views. After a while, when they stop posting, you don't want to slave to all this platform. You need to get your own now. And the most important part, why I'm talking about Tundeednut today, usually used to have a website or a blog called Tundeednut.com. I don't know why he actually removed it. But right now, after even being verified with 2.6 million followers, Instagram shut his account because people reported in. You don't want to get into that kind of this whereby you've been shot and you don't have your followership. Now, I don't rejoice over this, and I feel and I pray he's going to get his account back. But you don't want to fall into this type of trap. You need to create your own blog. You need to start maximizing your blog. And then apart from you getting search engine traffic, I'm sure that you're not losing out. You can see now in the last 1 month, even as he has lost his account, he has gotten about 2,400 people search for Tundeednut and they cannot find him. See how many people you are losing out. But if you have your blog is going to jump over here. And then apart from that, if you look at blogs now, you can even sell as a brand. You can offer your sidebar, put videos, pictures, other brands. You can make money from all these slots. That's how Linda KJ made quite a whole lot. And then if you don't want to contact, if you don't want your agencies to contact this brand for you, you can put AdSense and be earning from Google, though it might be peanut, but trust me, it's still going to lead you to something. There's nothing as sweet as earning in dollars. So you need to get your own blog. And I know you'll be wondering how difficult is it to get your blog. It's not as difficult as that. We are willing and ready to help influencers that have a minimum of 100k followers or a sizable number of followers that we can consider to help. But if we see that your engagement is popping, we can assist you with that. But if you're not an influencer and you're just starting out, don't worry. You can come to store.pobworld.com. You can get a free 30-day trial to get an hosting platform. We're going to be directing you how you can design your own website, or if you have a developer, tell them to add on there. You can get your own free hosting and our domain names are not that costly, and all you just need to do is to just buy a domain name, and you can see how low the price of a domain name is, and you get your blog started. Another thing I want you to do now while maximizing your koji is that you need to create an online flyer broker that tells each brand, tells your audience your reach. So I need you to, if you don't have a landing page now, you don't have a website, you don't have a blog that tells about you, just create a simple this thing. You can just head on to canva.com/media-kits/template. I'm going to put the link in the bio or just under this video. You'll see different kind of template. What I need you to use this template to do is to put a picture of yourself, tell a little about yourself, talk about the testimonies, talk about your reach, take a screenshot of your insight of your audience reach, how people engage with your this thing. Put a screenshot picture on this page. Create. It's not going to take you 5 seconds. Very easy to create these designs. And then when you create these designs, take a link or take the picture and put it up on your with Koji URL and make your URL very fruitful, so that once somebody clicks your URL, they're seeing your blogs, whatever you're offering, any giveaways, if you're doing giveaways and all of that. It makes you more useful. You're getting money from different sources. Now, the last one I'm going to be telling you about is about maximizing coupon code. Many brands have websites they are trying to push traffic to. They have e-commerce site they are trying to generate sales from, and then when they come to meet you, all they'll tell you is that they are going to pay you a sizable amount of money, say 50,000 naira, 60,000 naira, 120,000 naira, 150. Over there now, ask yourself one question: when they pay you 120 and they go about, how about you telling them pay me 20,000 naira or pay me 10,000, pay 30,000 naira, and then you get a coupon code on your website, and I will be earning XYZ amount of money per any sale that is made on your listing, and then you discover that you're going to be earning passive income. Now, for example, you can tell them that they should give you a coupon code whereby the customers use that coupon on the checkout page to get 20% discount. While they use that coupon code, you are going to be getting as much as, say, maybe 10% on the sale, 100 naira on the sale, 200 naira on the sale. Now, if they're making 20 sales of 20 different products from one particular brand, you're making a whole lot from them, times the number of followers that you're going to encourage to use that particular platform. Tell juniors to give you coupon code. Those brands tell you that, oh, we do not have a website. We have a website, but we don't have the developer that can integrate it. Tell them to sign up to Referral Candy. Referral Candy is a site that makes them integrate it with ease. Now, the beautiful part about it is that they can't get that integration for free for only 30 days. And if they decide to pay, I would advise you, before you refer them, just go to the affiliate program down the website, click on it and create your own affiliate program there, and then copy the link and send it to them. Tell them that they should use this link to create. So in case they decide to jump onto the paid version, you'll be earning 20% per commission as they renew it. Now, but if you have a website and then you want to link referral candidate to it, I really appreciate if you use my referral link, because I'm giving you this out for free. It will put a smile on my face. So don't sleep on all of these things. Stupid thing that you do is to not take advantage of all these things. You just hear and say, oh wow, great knowledge I've learned, and then you do not take action. When you're dropping this video, put it in your calendar that you want to take out time to start taking action. Your success is my testimony. Please take action. Don't let this video be a waste. Please share this video. If you've not subscribed to our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We give out videos like it. We show you how you can make money. We test the platform before referring anything to you. We take out our time to ensure that whatever we recommend to you are tested and trusted.